Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Colors. In this video, we have 10 multiple choice questions with answers for all competitive exams. Before start the video, I will tell you the answer of the question asked in the previous video. So the question was, which city is known as the Big Apple? And the correct answer is option C, New York. Now let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Who is the current governor of the RBI? Options are Sasikanta Das, Urjit Patel, Raghuram Ranjan, D. Subbarao. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, Sasikanta Das. Question number 2. Which country recently became the newest member of the United Nations? Options are South Sudan, Kosovo, Palestine, East Timor. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, South Sudan. Question number 3. What does CRR stand for in banking terms? Options are cash reserve ratio, credit reserve ratio, current reserve ratio, capital reserve ratio. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, cash reserve ratio. Question number 4. The headquarters of World Bank is located in which city? Options are New York, Geneva, Washington, Paris. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, Washington DC. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors. Question number 5. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Options are Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option D, Bangalore. Now, a question for you. So the question is, find the correctly spelled word. Check all the options and write your answer in the comment box now. I will tell you the answer in the next video. Question number 6. If the cost price of an article is 500 and the selling price is 650, what is the profit percentage? Options are 25%, 30%, 35%, 20%. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B, 30%. Please check the explanation part for more details. Question number 7. The average of 5 numbers is 27. If one number is excluded, the average becomes 25. What is the excluded number? Options are 35, 40, 30, 45. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, 35. Please check the explanation part for more details. Question number 8. What is the antonym of optimistic? Options are pessimistic, realistic, fantastic, simplistic. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, pessimistic. Question number 9. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of magnanimous. Options are generous, greedy, mean, wealthy. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, generous. Question number 10. Which one is a programming language? Options are HTML, Photoshop, MS Word, Excel. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, HTML. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Class for more exciting quiz videos.